Deepfake, hindi lahat ng nakikita mo at naririnig ay totoo. Ang deepfake ay AI-generated video or audio na ginagaya ang muka o ang boses ng isang tao. Mukha siyang legit, tunog siyang legit, pero fake pala. Senaryo, may tumawag na parang boss mo ang boses.
Please send me payment urgently.
May video message from family members asking for money. May social media video na may sikat na tao endorsing investment. Pero AI lang pala. Ang resulta, financial loss or data compromise. Why deepfake is very dangerous? Deepfake are mas convincing kesa traditional scams. Harder to detect, emotionally manipulative, panic, urgency, authority. How to protect yourself? Huwag magpadala sa urgency. Verify through another channel. Call their numbers or real numbers. Check small consistencies. Lip sync, unnatural blinking, robotic tone. Never send money without confirmation. Sa company setting, always follow payment approval process. No verbal only fund transfers. Security reminder, trust but verify. Kapag urgent at unusual ang request, magduda muna. Paano kung yung tumawag sa'yo na boss mo, AI lang pala? Deepfake technology can copy faces and voices. Kaya may mga scammer na ginagamit ang AI para mag-request ng money at credential. Kapag may urgent request, verify muna through another channel. Huwag basta magtiwala sa boses lang. Security is not paranoia. It is protection. Kung gustong pang matuto ng mga IT tips kagaya nito, subscribe na, share, and you can save this video.